everyone, in this video we're going to go through conditions. So conditions are like decisions. There's the if, elif, and else. So x is equal to 5. If x is less than 5, then print x is less than 5. And it doesn't print anything since x is equal to 5. Now how we use the elif? So elif is when the previous condition or conditions aren't true. So if x is less than 5, then print x is less than 5. Elif x is equal to 5, then we wanted to print x is equal to 5. So it checks the first if statement, x is not less than 5, but then it shows the statement or condition that x is equal to 5, so it prints that. And then we also have a thing called else. So else is when none of the conditions beforehand are true. Then the else occurs. So let's say this was x less than 5 and x greater than 5. So if x is not less than 5 and x is not greater than 5, then we wanted to print x is equal to 5. Yep, so those are how the conditions work.